Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about a newly launched brand in India, which is Bellora Cosmetics. This particular brand, which is Bellora Cosmetics, it is the first made safe beauty brand across Europe and Asia, and it is now launched in India. In India, they have come up with just their lipsticks, primer and a BB cream as of now, and they'll probably be launching more in the coming time. For now, I'll be swatching two lipstick shades that I have received. So these lipsticks retail for 599 rupees and they have 4.5 ml of product in them, which is good amount of product. The first lipstick is kind of a beautiful corally pinky nude shade and is going to suit almost all the Indian skin tone. The second shade is a beautiful bluish red, kind of similar to the MAC lipstick as well, I feel. The formulation is completely matte, as I've already told you, and it's transfer proof, budge proof, feather proof, and it's not going to go anywhere from your lips for a good 7 hours, even if you have heavy meals or anything of that sort. So the third thing that I'm going to talk about is the pigmentation. This, oh my god, it's so pigmented. You need one swipe on your lips and it's done. So it's completely vegan, cruelty free, dermatologically tested. So basically they have made a list of 2000 ingredients that is not safe for your skin and not safe for your lips. So basically they have negated all of those ingredients, which includes 1500 of ingredients that are certified bad for your skin, and 500 of them are like parabens and phthalates and everything of that sort. So they do not contain anything that is bad for your skin, and that is like certified, dermatologically tested, beautiful formulation. So you can stay assured, rest assured that it's not going to harm your lips or not going to do anything bad to your lips. Let's come to the main question that everybody is going to ask. So how does it feel on your lips? So basically it is a completely matte lipstick, but yes, it's matte, but it's very comfortable on your lips. It's not going to feel heavy, it's not that drying either. But yes, I have applied a lip balm before applying the lipstick. These are very comfortable lipsticks and you'll love them, but you have to wear a lip balm before you apply the lipsticks, and you have to keep the lip balm for at least 15 minutes before you apply them, so that your lips are well moisturized, and these are not going to transfer or budge or go anywhere from your lips. So rest assured that they are going to last you forever. It does look very beautiful on the lips. So it contains jojoba oil, shea butter, sunflower and vitamin E for hydration and extra nourishment. And yes, I'll be sharing a discount coupon code in the description bar below or somewhere on the screen as well, so that you can use it and get 10% extra discount if you use the coupon code on your purchase. So the outer packaging looks somewhat like this. It's a beautiful violet cardboard packaging which mentions the brand name and the shade name on one side, and all the ingredients are mentioned on the cover. It is such a good thing. Most of the lipstick companies do not mention all the ingredients, but this one does. All the ingredients are mentioned. So once you open the cardboard packaging, the inner packaging is somewhat like this. It has a beautiful golden cap which has Bellora mentioned on it, and a transparent bottom. And this is plastic and it's not glass, but it is such a luxurious packaging as well. Coming to the applicator, it has a beautiful doe foot applicator, and yes, so it mentions the name of the shade on the bottom on a sticker, and you can easily make the color a shade of the lipstick because it's transparent, and also it mentions the name, so it's easy to store as well. Quickly coming to what I think about the lipstick, I feel that you can go ahead and buy the lipstick. It's a perfect buy for a good price point as well, and you're getting a luxurious packaging, beautiful formula, long staying power, and a good vegan, cruelty free and a safe formula for your skin and for your lips. So do go ahead and give them a try. But yes, I would not recommend you layering the lipsticks up. If you feel like you want to reapply the lipstick, I suggest that you remove the whole lipstick and reapply it completely. So let's start with the swatches. was all about the lipsticks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to reply to all of them. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and continue showing love.